Welcome to Tallo. Let's take a look at one of the most exciting features on Tallo, Career Navigator, your personal guide to exploring careers and discovering your future path. Whether you have a clear goal in mind or you're just starting to explore your options, Career Navigator helps you make informed decisions with real data and personalized insights. Career Navigator is built around 24 career hubs, each representing a major career area. Some of our highlighted hubs at the top include business, healthcare, technology, and manufacturing. The remaining hubs are broken down into different categories such as innovators and creators, helpers and healers, builders and doers, and strategists and organizers. When you enter a hub, you will see the fastest growing careers in the field, the highest paying, how many jobs are available on Tallo right now, and promoted companies in the hub. Not sure where to begin? Start with our career interest assessment. Take a short 60-question assessment that will populate and give you your top 3 career vibes, a snapshot of your interests and strengths, and it matches you with career hubs that align with your personal preferences. This gives you a focused place to start exploring career options that make sense for you. Let's take a look at the Social Services Hub. Here you can see those fastest growing careers, the highest paying, the jobs, and the promoted companies. Let's take a look at the Mental Behavioral Health Counselor job. When you dive into a specific career, you'll get quick facts at a glance. The median salary, most common education level, how closely it matches your assessment results, a description of what they do, what you can expect on any given day-to-day, and we even can look at a career progression, including the previous step careers you might start with, as well as any next step careers to grow into down the line. It gives you a realistic, forward-thinking way to see what a future in that career could look like. Each career profile also shows the following. By selecting the Jobs tab, you can see how many jobs we have on Tallo within that career, as well as the skills needed for building toward that path. This helps you connect the dots between what you're learning, what you're interested in, and what's possible. So whether you're exploring your options or zeroing in on a specific goal, Career Navigator gives you the tools to build your future with clarity and confidence. So go ahead, take the assessment, explore the hubs, and dive into your next big opportunity. Good luck and enjoy your journey on Tallo.